Hey everybody, in today's video, me and my friends played some more Lethal Company. I hope you enjoyed. Great. So far, so good. We're not dead yet. Time to get inside. And please no turret.
It's gonna happen one day.
One day, yes. Not today. Not today. Oh, I need to go get a flashlight and walkie.
Why?
It's fine. I need to go get a flashlight and walkie.
Oh.
I scared the shit out of him by running back in. Running back out. That was funny. Let's get back inside. Oh, you guys aren't dead yet. Good.
Yeah, no.
That's a lot of fun. Yeah.
That's pretty good.
It's not.
Oh, here's the fire exit. Okay. Here. Here. Okay.
I mean, definitely, I think grab the apparatus last, but that's definitely good to know where
Yeah.
it is.
Well, apparatus, once we grab it, it starts spawning monsters.
Yeah. Flask as well as arrow.
And I don't know about you, but I don't want no monsters.
No, I get you.
Here.
There was another flask in the room, so I got an extra item as well.
There's an
Some
engine
out,
down
some,
here.
Fire exit. There's a landmine in here though. Cool.
Cool.
He just responded yes, so, oh,
There's nothing over
I,
here.
wait, I'm not the host, I don't think I can invite him.
Well.
I don't think, let me check.
Hopefully.
I have to wait. Well, I can't invite him to the in-game menu. So let me,
Okay.
I can't access the in-game menu at all now.
Oh boy. There's a locked door down here.
Nothing but steam.
There's a locked door down there.
Oh, yeah, I cannot do it. I don't have the, oh wait. Yeah, I don't have the power. I'm not the host. I'm not the host.
Like 3 hives the art place.
Oh really? Okay. Alright, yeah, we could try that.
Okay, I have the deep lore for you. The answer is apparently you have to read. Come on.
What's up?
Apparently it's the rehost if you want to add new people. So after the end of today, we rehost, basically.
What do you mean?
Well, you just like how you saved last time. It saves at the end of each day.
Oh,
So
okay.
we just quit and then we'd host again from the save because
Okay.
you can invite people that way.
Alright.
It's just apparently you can't do it like.
Okay. Interesting. you take the auto picker, or I thought we had the auto
No, that was not done by me, but it was brought in there, I believe.
picker. Okay.
Because I think there was a locked door that they wanted to unlock.
Oh yeah.
Hey, what happens to be the time outside right now?
5 p.m.
5:30 right now.
5:30. Yeah.
I just grabbed the apparatus and head out.
Are you going for the locked door right now?
Well, I already unlocked it.
Anything in there?
It's a steam room with a bunch
Let me
of...
know when you're gonna start heading out, because then I'm gonna grab the apparatus.
Okay.
Oh, Blob, we're going.
Logan, over here.
There's a Blob that way, anyways. So
Does that sound good as a plan?
Yep. We're heading back out right now. There was a Blob in the way, anyways.
Alright,
Through
grab
locked
me.
door. Okay.
Hello? Hi.
Okay, that should be good.
Can we take off?
Pass. Very cool.
Nice.
Okay. Apparently they also have to go at 7, so they're only going to be here for a couple rounds.
Okay. Hello?
Alright, hi.
Come on in.
Let me go. Nice.
Hiya.
Hello.
Oh, audio settings.
You. Let's dance. This guy.
It's weirdly in sync.
Yeah.
What I was just thinking too.
Yeah.
I was like, wow.
So what moon do we want to go to? We can, every moon but Assurance is clean.
Well,
Any of them's fine,
Let's
I
go to-
guess.
Let's go to Assurance then.
Okay.
Games a bit bugs.
What's the problem?
Wheel.
It now occurs to me, I don't see anyone besides you here.
Oh God!
You might want to quickly. We haven't started yet, so you might want to leave and
You might want to
rejoin.
rejoin.
I'll leave and rejoin real quick.
God, that reminds me of bugs that we had the first time we started playing this.
That's funny.
Don't send us anywhere yet, but yeah.
Yeah, we don't want to go anywhere yet.
No,
That
I'm
was
just looking at the
cursed.
store. Just looking at the store. See if there's any sick deals.
That is a sick deal. $10 trillion.
You know,
Okay.
it might
That's
not be worth
better.
it, but I might get a goldfish. You never know. You never know.
A goldfish.
I don't
Mhm.
know. That sounds pretty worth it to me.
Oh, that is pretty good. We should get a goldfish.
Oh, hell yeah.
Goldfish.
Oh,
There
hell
he is.
yes.
We'll need to get the table at some point.
What? What do you mean? This is
that
fine.
comes separately.
Wait.
Table purchases separate.
We got a table.
Oh, you're right. Oh, that's such a good boy.
Dude, he's watching the cameras for us.
Yeah.
What a powerful individual.
All right, let's go. We're going to Assurance.
Don't
Hell
forget your
yeah.
things.
Oh, yep.
You did it last time.
I did. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. I did stupid shit last time.
Well, you know, that's what I'm here for. Yeah, we're gonna want to go like.
Oh god.
Oh God.
So if you didn't know, this is their first time playing. They're new to this game. So
Fuck me.
natural selection at its finest.
What? I didn't even notice anything different.
So goodbye to everyone who's now newly dead.
Come on, man.
God.
And welcome.
I like by the time
Of
I realized what
course.
was going on, I like jumped like right in the middle too. I didn't have a chance to like
I
escape.
jumped in.
Oh God!
Yeah, I
it's like
fucking- I plummeted in. I was like, oh.
Yeah, no, I thought raining. That's not gonna be an issue.
Yeah, I thought so too. Well, shit.
Well,
We learned a very valuable lesson, I guess. Fuck.
yeah. Well, now we got. Good thing we have an
Oh,
excess
no.
of money.
Yep.
wow.
Well.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
You have a flashlight. I'm following you.
Did you not grab one?
No.
Let's be prepared.
That's
man.
that's a skill issue.
I like having my hands free.
Yeah, but you could have brought so many things.
I thought he was dead. I thought he was about to
And
fall
yeah,
off
you
the
did.
edge.
We would have seen.
I
it
hear
with us
something.
here.
Turret like. Okay.
It's fine.
Probably. There's a sign. Pick that up.
I been. Oh, it's.
It would have been funny though if he did
That's
too.
fine. Just pick it up.
Yo,
Your
Pete.
plates are really heavy.
I'm full of stuff now, so
Damn.
we'll keep in mind I had 2 slots already filled.
2. I see the
Yeah.
flashlight. What was the other thing?
Walkie-talkie, but it's not that useful anymore because there was an incident.
It's not my fault.
That's a way to describe it.
It's not my fault
We
either.
should probably head back now.
We should. Do you know the way back?
Kind of. Up these stairs, was it?
I think.
Because you had to jump,
Yeah.
and then up these stairs? Because you had to hurt the turret the mine? Okay, sorry, you weren't following me, I was concerned.
No, I'm following. I'm just really slow. Oh, we're taking stuff back to the ship.
We should go, I think. If we both die, it will go very badly.
I don't know what you mean. I never die.
That is factually incorrect, and you know it. And also, I feel bad not playing without the boys since their learning
That's fair.
experience has costed them greatly. Also, I'm just gonna warn you in advance. They have. Okay, pumpkin.
Okay.
It's just in the way. They have parkour issues, so we will
Oh.
suffer deaths to parkour.
I wouldn't
That's
say
fair.
issues. I wouldn't say issues. Just ignore every single time I died last time.
It would have been so fucking funny if he fucking died to that right after saying that.
This is
Yeah.
fine.
It was.
What is this strange route you took?
What do you mean? That's okay. I'll be honest. I forgot which planet I was on. I thought I was on offense.
Okay.
But the actual answer is the pumpkin was there anyway, so it didn't matter.
Well, at least now we know.
Yeah.
And I think that's what confused
look
me.
out
Was
for
the
dark
pumpkin was there.
spots.
Yeah. When it's raining, fucking.
It's not even there anymore, man. What the hell? Oh no,
think it's still
they're just on
there.
the other. They're just on the other side of the ship. Yeah, it's still there.
Yeah.
You know what? It's fine. We've got quota now.
Should we have teleported their bodies?
That would have been a very good point.
Oh, can't do it now.
That, actually, yeah, that would have been genius. We're not. Yeah, that was
Well,
smart. Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
too late now.
Oh
Late
dear.
now.
Ah, I'm the laziest.
That was profitable.
Well, yeah.
Hello?
Welcome back.
Yes.
Look,
we're back.
man, I didn't know there was quicksand in this game.
I'm not saying that I blame you. Just that it's what we call a learning experience.
Yes, it is.
Now you know there's quicksand in the game.
You know what? I do know that there's quicksand in the game now.
It's why I didn't warn you. I knew it would be best known if you
We
learned that
need some more
mistake
walking
organically.
as well, though. Hey everybody, thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.